Once you've started a vacation search, review your results to see if the vacation you want is available. You'll need to do this before having the option to add an ongoing search. If the vacation you want is not available, scroll to the bottom and look for the Start an Ongoing Search request bar. Click on the bar to take you to the page where you can begin your ongoing search request. Once on the Create an Ongoing Search page, the criteria you initially used to search should already show in the form. Refine your criteria to search for the vacation that best suits your needs. If you were an RCI Week subscribing member, you'll also need to select the deposit you wish to use for your request. Please read and acknowledge the ADA Accessible Unit checkbox. If you provide specific resort choices, you may also opt to check the Auto Confirm box, which will automatically confirm your vacation if a match comes through, provided the exchange fee has been paid if applicable. And then click on Continue at the bottom. If there are available vacation options for the search you entered, you will first need to review those options before you'll be able to finalize your ongoing search. Simply click on View Search Results in the pop-up box. If nothing is available for your search, then you can move forward with your ongoing search request. Simply click on Start Ongoing Search from the pop-up box. You're almost done. Your search criteria should still be intact. Review the details of your ongoing search. If everything looks accurate, click on Continue at the bottom of the page and simply follow the steps. Pay the exchange fee if applicable and complete your search request. RCI will send you an email once a month to keep you updated on the status of your ongoing search, and then more frequently as your desired vacation start date approaches. If a match is found, you will be notified that day by phone or email, and you'll have until the next day close of business to confirm. Happy travels!